His A-list interview today, one of the stars of the new comedy Shotgun Wedding. She's also the White Lotus breakout star who stole the show at last week's Golden Globes. Jennifer Coolidge won the award for Best Supporting Actress last week for her role in the HBO comedy drama. And now she's co-starring with Jennifer Lopez and Josh Duhamel in a story about a destination wedding that is taken over by hostage takers. Last week, with actor Steve Coulter by her side, I talked with Jennifer about the unusual making of this film. Here's the plan. I guess you guys made this during the pandemic.
Yeah.
And that many of you actually lived together.
Most of us did, yeah.
Yeah, what was that like? Because that sounds like maybe one of the most surreal kind of experiences that there could be.
Well, Steve, no,
Yeah.
you know what, Steve, it was very unexpected though. I didn't realize that Lenny would be at dinner.
Yeah.
Lenny Kravitz would be at dinner every night because he was in that, his room was across from mine. I was spying on him. But he was so much fun, and he was, so normal, and he would bring his ghetto blaster, and after dinner we would dance. We danced to all these cool tunes that he had in his ghetto blaster, and it was a lot of fun. It was such a normal group of people, and everybody got along. And then we'd have film nights just about every night where everyone watch films together and the screener. It was very cool. It was.
And we take pictures and call home and do Zoom calls and talking, and yeah, it was just a big family kind of. Sounds kind of corny, but
I was hoping some more people would hook up, but that didn't happen at our house first.
More with Jennifer coming up later on. Shotgun Wedding coming to Prime Video on January 27th.